My name is Al Yates. I am the East Coast Regional Manager for Skalar Incorporated. We are an instrument company, opened in 1965. We have here to our left our COD analyzer. What you might ask about this instrument and why it's important. The environmental market uses COD for pollution control. What we've done here is we've taken a manual test and we've automated it. So not only does it save time and allow the operator and the company to walk away from the instrument and to do other tasks, this also creates a safety. The chemicals inside of it, they contain mercury and concentrated acids. So this procedure here allows them to never ever be in contact with that. It heats it as well, so you don't have to worry about your analyst being burned by it, so it's much safer. Also opening and closing the caps. The instrument actually takes the cap off of the bottles, puts the sample into it, and recloses it, thereby lessening any other carpal tunnel issues with opening and closing of repetitive issues. So there also we're actually capturing the data from the spectrophotometer. From there, we can export to LIMS the data into a LIMS system, also creating transcription errors and also helping with time savings. So for more information on our great products, you can visit our website at www.skalar.com.